It's legendary beats. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you are good. I am back with the new videos, honeys. For those who are new on this channel, welcome, and for those who are returning, honeys, welcome back home. Mommy is back with a new video. So guys, I am bringing you all of this today. So today's video, obviously you can tell by the title, so I'll be showing you how I achieved this makeup look. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and yeah, please thumbs it up if you like it, and please comment down below what you want to see next on my channel. Who's this? New year, new me. Okay, the year is not me, but who's this? Mid-year, new me. I guess I can say that. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's just get into this video. Hello. So basically I have done my skincare routine. As you can see, my skin is glowing. If you want to see my full skincare routine, I'll link it in the card up here or down below. Okay guys, so the first thing that I do, I prime my T-zone area, and don't worry guys, all the product that I'm using will be listed down below. This is one tip that I always give my clients: make sure that you set your primer, set it with a loose powder. Guys, you will thank me for this one. Your foundation will not move, it will stay in place. I always mix those two foundation because I don't have a shade in both range, the rimmel one and also the Maybelline one. So in order for me to get my perfect shade, I have to mix the two. And also it is winter, so my skin is a shade bit lighter. So yeah, it is so weird that these days I prefer to blend my foundation using a brush, and you'll see in this video that I use quite a lot of brushes than I used to before. I then go on with my beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, but always make sure that you draw out all the excess water by using just a tissue paper. I then move on to my favorite part, which is highlighting and contouring. This is what defines your face, honeys. Please don't play with your highlights, child. So basically, highlighting and contouring, you're just highlighting the features that you want to stand out, and then contouring, it's when you are carving your face and slimming your face. So yeah, so I basically use a lighter concealer, like a shade lighter concealer, just as a base to cover all the dark circles, and I use a darker foundation to actually contour. You'll see in this video I actually use two darker foundations for contouring. Reason being is that the first one is just dark, but the other one has that orange undertone, which is the undertone that I like, especially when I'm contouring, because I don't want it to look like dark or like just brown, but I just want it to look like a young tan, you feel me? I blend my contour first so that the concealer can just sit under my eyes and it can get a bit thicker, so that when I blend it out, it will just be sitting there nicely. It will not just vanish away. Oh honeys, let me plug you. This concealer is so inexpensive, but it is the girl that she thinks she is. Child, get yourself this concealer. Out of all the things that I used in this video, get yourself this concealer. Yes, I admit I am influenced by TikTok. Some of their tricks really work. So yeah, as you have seen this all over the internet, this is how we highlight honeys. Don't waste the concealer. Just put it in your inner corners, your outer corners, and you'll see like a little goes a long way. I then go back with the same brush that I was using to contour to darken my nose contour a bit, because as you blend out the concealer, it can take a bit away. Right now, I'm about to sound like the saleswoman that will try to convince you to buy something at a beauty store. Guys, you need to do this trick. Like, honestly, if you want that skin-like finish, like that beautiful settle finish, do this. Set your concealer with your normal face powder before you go in with the translucent powder. This will change your life. Please try this and comment down below. Like, oh guys, this is the best thing ever. Okay, so now I am setting all my highlighted areas with a translucent powder, and then I will go in with a darker powder to set the contour. Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I, lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling. Oh, I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence. Use a smaller brush to set your nose contour. This will help you to get that clean, precise contouring on your nose. Okay, it's time for me to do this crazy brows, and I did them off camera because this video was gonna be 4 hours long. It is blush time. Let's get this cheek looking all rosy. When I'm done with my blush, I then take a fluffy brush and I just blend my contour and blush so that it doesn't look too crazy or harsh. When you're applying your blush, don't forget your nose. There is nothing more cuter than a red nose, in my opinion though. And then I go back actually to my setting, a powder, and then I just carve my face even more. For my eyes, you'll see I literally had no time for a cut crease. I just used 3 colors and 1 fluffy dense brush to distribute all those colors and just create something a bit cute. From your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. No matter how late I am running, trust me, I will rock up with the wing liner. I had to do this step because I feel like it just create that density in your eyes, like that nice settle oomph. So I just created a young wing liner and then stuck my falsies after. You'll see I was struggling with my wing eyeliner. I don't know what was happening today, but yeah.
Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out. But we're missing cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide.
These are Ardell whispers, and I went for the more natural looking lash because it is daytime, and also I don't know what is happening with me these days, but I never thought I'll ever say this, but I actually kind of prefer a natural looking lash than those like thick ones.
Wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle.
I then use the same colors that I used on my lids on my bottom lash line so that it can create a bit of drama.
I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love.
I use this essence pencil to tighten my waterline. It is a gel liner. I love it so much. It is so pigmented. Please don't apply mascara on your fake lashes. I just applied underneath on my actual lashes to blend my actual lashes with the fake lashes, because obviously when you put concealer and all of that, so your lashes will be looking a bit white-ish. So just put a bit of mascara just to blend it, and also on your bottom lashes. Okay, to set my face, I sprayed the MAC Fix Plus into the beauty blender, not straight to my face, because it can be quite dangerous and your lashes will literally start to fall off. So I then just distributed all over my face, and this also helps with the blending so that there won't be any harsh lines. And then I go on with the famous rimmel one that literally everyone uses. This spray is so good. It is mattifying. It will keep your makeup throughout the day. Your makeup will stay on for the whole day, literally.
Wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out. But we're missing cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need an hour with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh, so right, oh, so right, oh.
I then move on to my lips. I line it with a brown lip liner.
Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling
and then I move on to matte liquid lipstick that is brown, just to blend out the brown liner so that it won't look too harsh. And then I go in with a nude lipstick on my inner lips just to create that ombre effect. Okay guys, so I have changed into my outfit, and by the time you see this video, obviously the pictures would be out, so hopefully they'll be out. So yeah, so I'm just gonna finish my lips with some gloss, and then lastly I did not highlight my face, so I always like to do it at the end using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow. Don't ask me what happened to the top. So yeah.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go.
So voila. So okay, so this brings us to the end of this video. So I have put on my clothes and I have accessorized. So I am going to meet up with my friends from Durban. They are in town, so we're gonna take pictures, have lunch, and all the jazz. So you'll probably see my pictures on Instagram. So if you are not following me on Instagram, I will put my links down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.